Going on a unique mission today. Got to go help a guy get his tractor flipped back upright. So if you want to rent the equipment, we're happy to help you do that at rentinking.com. If you want someone to do services for you, happy to do that too at FN Dunright. You either rent the equipment and do it yourself, or you let us know and we'll come out and do the work for you. So we have the skid steer off the trailer, and now we're going to get it up to the job site and get that tractor right side up again. All right, let's go check out and see what the problem is here. Yeah, there we go. There's the tractor tipped over. So we're going to get that, we got the chain on it. We're going to try and pull this thing straight back up again and see if we can get this thing on its four wheels. Well, we got it up, towed it out, and it's always a success when you're doing a salvage or a rescue when you don't cause any more damage than the machine already suffered in the original accident. We were able to do that, so this is a big success. Get it up, get it out, and it didn't cause any additional damage.